Number 1. Data analysis and insights.
AI-powered analytics tools can help SMEs extract valuable insights from their vast amounts of data. By analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational data, businesses can make data-driven decisions, identify new opportunities, and optimize their strategies.
Number 2. Customer service and support.
AI chatbots and virtual assistants can provide 24/7 customer support, answering frequently asked questions, resolving basic issues, and directing customers to relevant resources. This ensures prompt and consistent customer service, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks.
Number 3. Personalized marketing and sales.
AI algorithms can analyze customer data to create personalized marketing campaigns, tailored product recommendations, and targeted advertisements. This enables SMEs to engage with customers on an individual level, improving conversion rates and customer satisfaction.
Number 4. Process automation.
AI tools can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as data entry, inventory management, and invoice processing. This reduces human error, improves efficiency, and allows employees to focus on higher-value activities that require creativity and critical thinking.
Number 5. Predictive analytics.
AI algorithms can forecast market trends, customer demand, and sales patterns based on historical data. This helps SMEs optimize inventory management, anticipate customer needs, and make proactive business decisions to stay ahead of the competition.
Number 6. Supply chain optimization.
AI tools can optimize supply chain processes by analyzing data, predicting demand fluctuations, and optimizing inventory levels. This ensures timely delivery of products, reduces costs, and improves overall operational efficiency.
Number 7. Fraud detection and security.
AI-powered systems can detect patterns and anomalies in real time, helping SMEs identify and prevent fraudulent activities. From credit card fraud to cybersecurity threats, AI tools can strengthen the security infrastructure of SME businesses.
Number 8. Decision support systems.
AI-powered decision support systems can provide valuable insights and recommendations to SME owners and managers. By analyzing data and considering various factors, these tools assist in making informed decisions regarding resource allocation, risk assessment, and strategic planning.
Conclusion.
It's important for SMEs to carefully assess their needs, resources, and budget when adopting AI tools. Starting with small-scale implementations and gradually expanding based on the business's growth and success is a recommended approach. Additionally, partnering with AI service providers or seeking expert consultation can help SMEs leverage the potential of AI effectively. Amazon, a global leader in e-commerce, will take you behind the scenes to explore how Amazon leverages data science to enhance the customer experience through personalized recommendations. Imagine millions of customers with their unique preferences and interests. How does Amazon cater to their individual needs? Enter Amazon's data science team, a group of talented professionals who unlock the power of data to provide personalized recommendations. At Amazon, they collect and analyze vast amounts of data. capturing valuable insights about customer behavior and preferences. This data serves as the foundation for our recommendation system. The data scientists at Amazon use cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning techniques to make sense of this vast sea of information. One of the key techniques employed by Amazon is collaborative filtering. This approach analyzes the behavior and preferences of millions of customers to identify patterns and similarities. Collaborative filtering allows us to recommend products based on the behavior of similar customers. If John and Sarah have similar browsing and purchase history, we can suggest products that Sarah might also be interested in based on what John has purchased. This personalized approach enables Amazon to showcase products that are highly relevant to each customer. But they don't stop there. Amazon's recommendation system is constantly learning and adapting. We incorporate feedback from customers, such as ratings and reviews, to improve the accuracy of our recommendations over time. Machine learning models play a crucial role in Amazon's recommendation system. These models analyze vast amounts of data to identify customer preferences and predict which products they are most likely to enjoy. Customers like Emily benefit from this data-driven approach. They discover new products they may not have found otherwise, resulting in a more satisfying shopping experience. Amazon's commitment to data science has not only improved customer satisfaction but also boosted sales. By providing relevant recommendations, customers are more likely to make additional purchases and continue their journey with Amazon. Behind the scenes, Amazon's data science team is constantly innovating and refining their algorithms to ensure customers receive the best possible recommendations. Thanks to data science, Amazon continues to redefine the e-commerce landscape, providing personalized experiences that make every customer feel valued and understood. Uber, the ride-hailing giant, uses data science to optimize its operations and provide better service to its customers. One of their most successful data science projects involved developing a machine learning model to predict trip duration accurately. The goal of the project was to provide accurate trip duration estimates to riders and drivers, improving the overall experience and reducing wait times. To achieve this, Uber's data science team collected vast amounts of data from its platform, including historical trip data, traffic patterns, and weather conditions. The team then developed a machine learning model that could predict trip duration based on various factors, such as distance, route, and time of day. The model was trained on historical data, with a particular focus on areas with high congestion and unpredictable traffic patterns. Once the model was developed, it was integrated into Uber's platform, providing accurate trip duration estimates to riders and drivers. The model was continuously updated with new data, improving its accuracy over time. The results of the project were impressive. Uber saw a significant reduction in complaints about inaccurate trip duration estimates, improving the overall customer experience. The model also helped drivers plan their routes more effectively, reducing wait times and increasing efficiency. Moreover, the data science team at Uber was able to use the insights gained from the project to develop new features and services. For example, they developed a scheduled rides feature that allowed riders to book trips in advance, taking into account predicted traffic patterns and estimated travel times. Overall, Uber's data science project was a great success, demonstrating the power of data science in optimizing operations and improving the customer experience. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data, Uber was able to develop a machine learning model that provided accurate trip duration estimates, reducing wait times and increasing efficiency. Starbucks, a global coffee chain renowned for its commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences, we'll delve into the world of data science at Starbucks and explore how it leverages data to enhance customer satisfaction and drive business growth. Imagine the bustling Starbucks stores worldwide, where millions of customers like Emma, Alex, and Sophia come to enjoy their favorite beverages. Behind the scenes, Starbucks employs a team of skilled data scientists who utilize the power of data to enhance the customer experience. At Starbucks, they collect and analyze vast amounts of data, including customer orders, preferences, demographics, and store performance metrics. This data serves as the foundation for our data-driven decision-making process. The data scientists at Starbucks employ advanced analytics techniques to make sense of this wealth of information. One key aspect of data science at Starbucks is customer segmentation. By grouping customers based on their preferences and behaviors, Starbucks can personalize their offerings and marketing strategies. Through customer segmentation, they can identify different groups of customers, such as coffee enthusiasts or tea lovers. This allows us to tailor promotions, menu items, and experiences to meet the specific needs and desires of each segment. Thanks to customer segmentation, Starbucks can provide personalized offers and promotions to individual customers, making their visits even more delightful. Machine learning algorithms play a crucial role in Starbucks data science initiatives. These algorithms analyze customer data to predict preferences, optimize inventory management, and even forecast demand. With machine learning, they can predict which products and promotions are likely to resonate with each customer. This enables us to create targeted campaigns and optimize our inventory to meet demand efficiently. Starbucks mobile app and digital engagement platforms further enhance the customer experience. Through these channels, customers can place orders, earn rewards, and receive personalized recommendations. Customers like Emma benefit from this data-driven approach. They receive tailored recommendations based on their preferences, making their Starbucks experience more enjoyable and convenient. Starbucks' focus on data science has not only increased customer loyalty but also resulted in significant business growth. By leveraging data to create personalized experiences, Starbucks has seen a positive impact on customer satisfaction and sales. Behind the scenes, Starbucks' data science team continues to innovate, refining their algorithms and exploring new ways to leverage data for the benefit of their customers. Thanks to data science, Starbucks continues to elevate the coffee experience, creating moments of connection and providing customers with tailored experiences that keep them coming back for more.
Right. Good evening. So then let's start today our inauguration session. So this is the starting session. So we are conducting. So first of all, I should tell you that so we are not going to teach today. So this is just a inauguration program. That means introductory sessions. So we are conducting it today. So then my screen also visible, right?
Yes.
Yes, Sandeep.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
no problem. Let's see. We
Okay.
can see now.
Thank you very much. Right. So then I will go through the sessions, right? So then I will go through the inauguration program now. So I think all the things are now comfortable to everyone. So I think so we can start. So actually, before going to the inauguration program, we had to play some videos, right? So we took your valuable 10 minutes, like 10 to 20 minutes, around 20 minutes. We took from your valuable time to give some experience and give some idea how industry can use data science and how industry can use artificial intelligence in different segment, right? So I think you all could be able to watch the videos, so that all the case studies are very attractive and global level case studies. So I think those are added some valuable insight, valuable idea to you about what is data science and how we can use data science, and on the other side, what is artificial intelligence and how we can use it, right? So that is very important to have everyone as a business professionals and any professional uh, one. So then, okay, let's move to our today inauguration program. So first of all, before going to interact about the fundamental of AI for professional course, I think we all are very new to our institute, right? So then, first of all, I should explain about what is Apiba Institute and why we are conducting this kind of sessions, this kind of courses to professional segment, right? So example, Apiba is a very unique institute and very uh, like we are teaching only the very niche market, niche level knowledge to our corporate sector professionals, right? So then, actually, Afiba is the main market leader in the transform the talent, right? Then we are conducting most of the time about data science and artificial intelligence relevant courses. So our major competency is we are going to upskill your knowledge into some advanced level. So very simply, if I am telling you that we are teaching only the data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cybersecurity level courses, right? So up to now for the corporate sector, right? So up to now we have more than 200 students from the corporate sector as a very young institute, right? So then we have within 1 year, 14 months, right? We could earn more than 200 professionals into our institute, because we had arranged very nice courses and very nice content to our corporate sector student. Then they could earn very good knowledge from us, from our team, from team of the lecturers. Then I think more than 90% of the professionals, I should say genuinely, then they have provided very positive in feedback to us and our teaching style. So then that is the reasons why what is Apiba and why we are here. So then as a young professionals, I think all the professionals are very energetic persons, right? So then as you know that you can change global, right? So you are in the global level. So then not in the Sri Lankan context, right? Not in the Sri Lankan job market. So you are touching all the ways global level market. So then you know that nowadays most of the professionals, most of the fresh graduate, right? Most of the younger students are visiting and abroad to learn so many degrees and so many knowledge, and to the market as well, to the job market as well. So uh, the my experience is most of the professional segment, most of the time the carriers are asking, most of the companies are asking, do you know what is data science? Do you know what is AI? Do you know how to use data science? Do you know how to use artificial intelligence? And so many things about the this evolving technology. So therefore we took the leadership to teach these technologies to our professional student. Then therefore we could generate and we could create very attractive courses and very detailed courses to our professional sector institute, professional sector student, right? So then if I am coming to the more about the courses categories what we are offering as an institute. So mainly, as I mentioned earlier, so we are conducting business analytics courses like Power BI and business. So I will go through the courses available courses in future slide, right? So up to now, so if I'm categorizing those courses are into different segment, so business analytics courses and data science courses and artificial intelligence courses and machine learning courses and cyber security courses. You know that these are the trending technologies, like evolving technologies within next 10 years of period, right? So therefore, these are the knowledge any professional should have. So if you're a marketer, if you're a finance manager, right? If you're a different like a general manager or CEO, or if you're a software engineer, then definitely, so you should know, right? These technologies, these contexts, right? So then, therefore, so as a academic persons and professional persons, so we know that these are the valuable knowledge you should have. So then, like as I mentioned the previously, the global job market is asking, do you have this capacity? Do you have these capabilities and knowledge? Then you should provide the certifications and you should prove your knowledge. Then so we have a solutions to give you. Then definitely you can join with the Apiba Institute. Then you can earn this knowledge from us. So then, why I am telling you that? So as a, CPD UK accredited institute, so we have accredited 5 courses with CPD. Then most of the uh, professional level courses we have accredited with the CPD. Therefore, then you can earn global level certificate with the Abiba Institute. So that is the very small and quick description, quick explanations and introduction about what is Abiba and how we are on and what are the segment we are conducting as a career skill and knowledge skill segment courses. So then, when come to the uh, stakeholders and target students as APIBA, so we are catering mainly to the professional students to gain their knowledge to next level to the upskill, right? So then, as well as we are catering our courses to student like school and university undergraduate, as well as we are catering school leavers as well. So then they can join with the APIBA Institute. Then they can start from the certificate level courses and they can come to the higher national diploma level courses, and we are giving very good pathway to them to come to the degree level as well. So then we can show you the path how to become a very good professional and very good graduate in this segment. So when come to the other courses for the professional one, so then I have catered into 2 parts, right? So beginner level courses and intermediate and advanced courses. So then when come to the beginner level courses, so we have very nice beginner level courses here. So you know that our main target is business professionals, right? So then because most of the business organizations now asking about the data science and business intelligence and business analytics and artificial intelligence, right? So then most of the business leaders had to learn about this technology, and most of the managers and executives had to learn these technologies. Otherwise, they cannot perform their task very well. So, example, why you have joined with the AI course? Reason is this is the trend in knowledge, and if you know the AI, right, for the in your level, so definitely you can uh, speed up your task, day-to-day task, right? So and you can do very nicely your job, right? So that is the reason you have joined with the course. So then, so likewise, if I am telling you that, so we have very beginner level courses, very nicely developed courses. So then first one is applied business intelligence and analytics for business professional course. So this is a very good course for any managers, right? So if any business level managers, because if you want to analyze the data, and if you want to create some managerial level reports, and if you want to get some strategic level decisions, then this is the knowledge you need to have, business intelligence and analytics knowledge. So then in this course we are talking about various segment, like from the starting point. So that's why I mentioned here this is the beginner level course. So then you can learn very nicely what is business intelligence and how to analyze and improve the analytics level report for the management and for yourself as well. In the second one is applied data science for business professionals. So that is very unique course we are conducting and we have designed. So this course we have designed for the business professional. That means non-technical persons, they can learn about data science, right? So therefore, then don't worry about your existing knowledge. So you may be not technical person. So then but you want to learn about data science, then solution we have as Appiba Institute. So we are starting very beginning level and we will build you some level of knowledge, data science person, right? So then definitely we'll be able to talk about some technical part and professional, some programming languages kind of thing we are talking in the that course. So the thing is we are using very simple examples and very productive example for the knowledge, right? So that is the second one. And when come to the third one, then Python programming with SQL for business professionals. So that is also very unique course. The reason is our main target is teach Python programming to non-technical persons and beginner level professionals. So then if anyone would like to learn about Python programming, then you can join with us. So these days we are conducting 6 intake. So then more than 60 students we have done with the this course. So like all the more like 95% of the students came from the business management. So then they have given very good review for us. Then based on the review also we have upgraded our content and teaching styles. Then so if anyone is interested to learn about the Python programming, then but don't worry about your knowledge. So you may be non-technical person, maybe you may have some idea, but you don't know how to handle anything, right? But don't worry, we are starting from installations level, right? So this is the third one. So when come the next one is data analysis with Microsoft Power BI and Tableau and Microsoft Excel. So you know that these are very famous tool for the data analysis. So but the thing is when come to the data analysis with Microsoft Power BI, so we are conducting here very important topics and we are covering very important topics, and we have aligned this course content with PL 300 syllabus, Microsoft certifications. Once you complete the this data analysis with Microsoft Power BI course, definitely you will be able to sit for the Microsoft certifications called PL 300. That is for the starting certifications level for the Power BI certifications, right? So then that is also we have aligned with the Microsoft certifications. So then Tableau also there. Then we are touching here and we are talking about very practical way how to have a very good analysis, and Microsoft Excel as well. Like most of the professionals are very familiar with the Microsoft Excel, but they don't know how to analyze the data. So most of the professionals know about only the pivot table and pivot chart, but Microsoft Excel now very advanced tool, right? Like previously. So using Microsoft Excel, you can do very good analysis, right? And you can create some analytical report as well, right? Microsoft Excel now very powerful tool. So now you know that Microsoft Excel, you can work with the Python programming as well. So that means Microsoft Excel is very powerful tool now. Therefore, if you would like to learn those technologies and gain that knowledge and use those technologies into your career, then definitely this is the chance and this is the level, then this is the opportunity you have. You can learn with us. And when come to the last one, so then generative AI for professionals. So this day you know that most of the professionals are finding how to use like generative AI tools. Example, ChatGPT, right? How to use ChatGPT, right? So when come to the programming, when come to software engineering, how to use Copilot. So kind of most of the generative AI tools are available in the world. So in this course, we are talking about 13 plus 30 plus generative AI tool with you, So we are catering different segment, different professional level. So then we are talking here 30 plus generative AI tools, how to gain that knowledge and how to use those technologies with your career. So these are the beginner level courses we are conducting. So then when come to the intermediate level courses, so some next level courses are there. Then applied digital marketing and strategic optimization for professionals, and marketing analytics for professionals, and financial analytics for professionals, and HRM analytics for professionals, and Python programming for data science. Here we are talking about the Panda and NumPy libraries. So these are the intermediate and advanced level courses we are conducting. But so if anyone is interested, then you can start from the beginner level courses, and you can go through the courses. So and very important thing is here most of the courses are applied courses, right? Like 100% courses are applied courses. What is applied courses mean? So we are mainly catering, we are mainly focusing to the practical scenarios, practical based learning. That is the applied knowledge. So practical based experience, we are talking with you like using case studies, right? So in any courses uh, we are using some 3 or 4 case studies. Then we are completely talk about based on the case study, right? So therefore we can say like more than 65% content is covered by the practical part, like 35% of the content covered by the theoretical part. So therefore, so our courses mainly based and focuses to the practical scenarios, like how to resolve a problem. So because you are very good professionals, right? You don't want any kind of more theoretical part. You want to apply this knowledge to your career. That's it. So we know that, right? So we have understand that requirement. Therefore, we are mainly talking about the practical problems, right? So therefore, don't worry about the outcome. So I'm strongly recommend you to just join with one of course, and you will be able to experience what we are doing. So 200 plus students have recommend us, and their comment is very good for the future students as well. So these are the things. So okay, so very quickly I will conclude the institute level introduction part. So as well as we are conducting some corporate training programs as well, right? So then so if you have a team, then if you want to train and if you want to upskill their knowledge, work with the your working environment, then definitely we can support your organization and your team. So these are the some level of courses. We have more various courses in the corporate training segment. So you can visit our website and go to the corporate training sector. Then you will be able to large number of corporate training programs are available. These are the few training programs. Plus, if you want to learn, if you want to train your staff with AI or business intelligence like kind of thing, then definitely you will be able to contact us, and very good attractive packages we have, right? So then definitely you will be able to train your staff and train your colleagues to next level, right? So these are the things about the Apiba Institute, very short description and very short introduction part. So then if you have any inquiries, then definitely we'll be able to contact this number. And so then our first number is mobile number, then that is available in the WhatsApp as well. Then you can contact us using these 2 numbers. So, okay, that's all about the institute. So now we will come to our course introduction part. So our course, you know, right? What is the course name? Fundamentals of AI for Business Professional, right? So here mainly we are talking about fundamental knowledge for the business professionals. So first of all, I should tell you, right, what is this course, right? What are the content of the course, right? Very simply, I can say tell you. So here we are not going to use any programming languages. So we are not going to develop any artificial intelligence applications, right? So we are talking here how to have a AI based knowledge and AI based culture in your organization. This is the cost to start your AI culture in your organization. So if you want to implement any artificial intelligence culture in your organizations, so we are talking here how to develop that knowledge in your organizations and how to implement that kind of thing in your organization, in your team, right? So therefore, don't worry about the technical part. So we are not going to develop anything, so, but here we are talking about how to use those existing knowledge, right? So this is also mainly we are focusing to the non-technical persons to come to the technical part. So after completion of this course, definitely you will be able to come to the next level course. Then here we are talking about how to develop artificial intelligence relevant applications. So first of all, before going to that level, I'm recommending you to come to the fundamental course. Then you will be able to get the idea and come to the next level knowledge. So now I will show you what is the course outcome, right? So what is the syllabus you can learn with Abiba, right? So then just give me 1 second to share our website. Then easily you will be able to go through the all the content, and easily I will explain you what are the available content in the program, right? So okay, right. So here, so then, so this is the course content actually. So then, so we are covering 7 module, right? We are covering 7 modules. So then, in the first module, the introduction to the AI in business. So here we are talking about understanding and evaluations of the artificial intelligence and key concept and overview of the AI application in business, right? So when come to the second module, so here we are talking about the core AI technologies and practical AI application in different business sectors. Then come to the third module. So here we are going to develop in AI strategies for the business organization. So here, so then here, this is the point we are going to have strategic level discussions how we can implement AI culture in our organization and how to success that project in your context, right? So this is the level we are going to talk about, the strategic level. So then the fourth module, so data driven decisions making with AI. So then if you know that, like, so major thing is decision making, right? So most of the organizations nowadays use artificial intelligence and data science knowledge to initialize their decisions, right? So those knowledge are based on the data. So that's why I'm mentioning that data driven decisions. So mainly AI can support for the data driven decisions, and those decisions definitely may be giving very good output to your organization, right? So then when come to the fifth module, leadership and management in the AI era. Then, so here we are talking about how to get the leaderships and how to manage your staff and how to manage your audience and how to manage your colleagues to come to that level, right? As a leader, how to gain, how to come to the front and drive your team to the success level. So that is the fifth module. And coming come to the sixth module. So when come to the getting when we are concerned about the success stories, then definitely we should think about the ethical factors as well, right? Then what are the ethical factors and how to minimize the risk and how to gain the all the sustainable thing in when you are implementing the artificial intelligence culture in your organizations, how to do these things, right? So when come to the last module, this is very attractive module actually. So understanding and leverage generative AI. So here we are talking about how to use generative AI for your organizations, for your businesses, right? So here we are talking very good generative AI tools and all the tools, right? So basically, most of the professionals and most of the users use generative AI tools like search engine. So it is very wrong way, right? So here we are practicing you. Here we are teaching you how to use artificial intelligence tool, generative AI tools to get very good output, right? So these are the key modules. So then within 3 to 4 months of period, so we are covering this content, right? So so our major concern is not to the time period, to the content. So this is the major idea I'm sharing with you. So okay, so the next thing is, so then who are the lecturers you have to meet? So then definitely I'm getting the leadership of the teaching. So I'm covering most of the modules here. Then sometime some visiting lecturers also come into different practical scenario discussions. Then they will, and I will support you to learn and gain this knowledge into your success story. So then next thing is for the assessment, right? So we are giving some continuous assessment and final project. So these are not generating any kind of uh, hard feeling, but anyway, to have a certificate level knowledge, right? Have a certifications, then definitely you should give some continuous assessment and continuous participations, and final project you should submit. Then we will able to evaluate your knowledge, and then we will come to the reward and certifications. So in most of the time, so we are selecting best student, and we are giving the medal for the best students in every intake. So when come to the support level, so we are conducting, we have implemented LMS for our students. So then you can visit to our LMS and you can get all the content, all the recorded video. And sometime if you have any problem, then you can contact our hotline number and our email, our coordinator email address. Then you will be able to get very good support from us. So so when come to the session starting point, so we are starting our sessions on Jan 25th, right? So then Jan 25th, we will be starting our sessions at 8:30 p.m. As like today, right? So this is the very brief introductions and very small introduction about the course. So then if you have any problem, then you can ask for anything.
I'm asking these application,
Yeah.
how you going to teach and apply for the industry, and
Mm.
uh, probably someone who comes without such a background,
Yeah.
and how you going to improve them and implement such a situation. Can we
Yeah.
know
Very. Yeah.
any past examples?
Yeah. So the first of all, I should tell you that so this is not the technical sessions, right? So we are not taking talking about any programming part, because mainly our target is the business professionals should start using AI. So that is not the there's no any challenge. So then already we have that challenge, right? So as a business leaders and CEO, everyone now had to use the AI. So here we are talking about the how to implement that AI culture in your organization, and how to have that skill to you to manage your people, right? So as well as we are talking about some famous and various AI, generative AI tools are available. Then using those knowledge, then you can be able to use and some get some speed up to your career. So that is the major thing. So then you asked some success stories. Already we have
Yeah, yeah,
used, yeah.
kind of applications.
Yeah, from come to the like some applications mean, so how to use that one. So let's say if you like I don't know what is your professional, like let's say you are an accountant, right? So or you are let's say you are a marketer, but how to use artificial intelligence for the marketing, right? That is a major questions most of the industry have, most of the professionals have, so most of marketers have, right? So then AI is very nice tool, very nice segment, anyone can use, right? Let's say marketer. So let's say you want to develop some marketing strategy for your problem, right? So if you have very nice thinking, then you can think and you can develop some model, right? Once you develop the model, then you can use some generative AI tools, implement those marketing strategies to the your ground. So then I am not going to tell you the tool's name, but you can use those things. Let's say if you want to generate some kind of video script, then you can do it, right? Then once you learn those things, then you can have some subculture in your organization, some subculture team in your organizations to use this knowledge and gain more powerful output for your organizations. So I think you got the idea. Yeah, here's Harshi is asking what is the awarding body. Then so currently we are working with the CPD UK. So then so we have endorsed our certificate this course with the CPD UK. So then you are earning CPD UK certified certificate. So and in other side, so actually we have conducted very good webinar for artificial intelligence, right? So in I think December month or November month, so we have uploaded that video into YouTube, right? So then they are in that webinar program we have talked about so various tools, right? So this is the kind of mirror course with aligned with the content in the webinar, right? So then we have developed short video as well in the webinar program. So then I think you will be able to get more knowledge, and because so AI is a term, right? Artificial intelligence, how to use AI. So then in different segment, definitely we will be able to navigate. This is the way we can use AI, like lecturer, right? Then you can use artificial intelligence to do anything, right? If you want to analyze some data, then AI is there. If you want to generate some research papers kind of thing, AI is there, right? If you want to generate some kind of images, AI is there. If you want to create some advertisement and if you want to generate some advertisement idea, then AI is there. If you want to develop some attractive presentations to like management, then AI is there. So now AI has very range, very big power now, right? So therefore, when it comes to learning the fundamental of AI, then this is the starting point, I believe that. So you can start and learning the artificial intelligence. So I think I will send you the this course link to the chat, right? So then you will be able to go through the topics and all the things here, right? Then if you have any questions, then you can send the messages right into this chat box. So then everyone have this chat bot access now, connected people, and you can call our hotline number and ask for the any details. Then we will send you any details if you have any concern, right? So okay, then you may ask any questions. Then if you have.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just missed the first half because there was an issue with the YouTube the Teams link. So
Okay.
I will go through the recordings once I get them. So
Okay, then.
only thing since I have missed the first part, I am not that certain on this thing. This is purely a new one. Anyway, we hope to catch up and get the maximum knowledge out of this course. Thank you very much for this initiative.
Okay, Udan. Actually, so this initiative, I think actually, most of the organizations require that knowledge. So we have developed this course with the academic and industry expert comments, right? So so we have connected with industry and university lecturers who have done the artificial intelligence. So that's why I invited you to watch the webinar program. Then definitely we'll be able to get very good idea. So I will place the link of the that YouTube video. So then definitely you will be able to go through the video. Then it is very attractive sessions actually, right? Dr. Subhashini conducted in the webinar series. So it is very informative webinar, right? So I think if you can go through the sessions, then you will be able to get very good knowledge, right? So just give me to find the video, and that means full video, and I will send you the full video as well. This is the full video link, and if you want to get some quick idea, then we have a short video as well about the webinar session. Then I will send you the short video link as well, right? Then second link is short video about the webinar program, right? So okay, if you have anything, then you can ask, or otherwise we can come to the conclusions of the inauguration program, like introductory part. So then but anyway, so in other side, so most of the time we are planning, we have planned to conduct webinar series to share our knowledge with the people, right? Then so you may join with the course or you may not join with the course, but we are sending the webinar series, webinar invitations to you. So if you have that passion to learn these things, then just join with the webinars. So we are conducting in future. So then definitely we'll be able to gain some new knowledge to your knowledge base. So it is very important because as a professional student and professionals in the industry, work in the industry, so it's very important. Yeah, Harshini, I mentioned that what is the awarding body previously as well. Then awarding body is CPD UK. We have get the endorsement of the CPD UK. So we are giving certifications, certified CPD certified certificate to you.
Yes, after we completed this certificate courses, we can continue the higher national courses in this related field.
Yeah, Sajid, actually, yeah. So the next course is come up with the some development and programming knowledge. So currently we have a plan to conduct that sessions with the Dr. Subhashini and our team. So then, yes, definitely you will be able to join with the next level course, right? So you have
Thank you,
you
sir.
can go to the, you can climb up the ladder. So then come with the fundamental knowledge, then you will be able to come to the next level.
I am a banker by profession,
Okay,
so
Udana.
I'm not that tech guy. Like I have so like now since this is a inauguration, now maybe next week. I mean, like, do we need some special equipment? So I mean, like, can we do
Nothing.
through this? Huh?
Nothing required. Just you have to, you should have internet connection and laptop or mobile. That's it.
That's it, no?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I
Yeah.
think you have missed the initial part. So I mentioned that our all the courses are catering to management professionals and business professionals, right? So we know that management and business, most of the business professionals are not from the technical side. 90% of the professionals are coming from the management and not technical person. So our major challenge is, and our major objective is that management professionals convert into the technical persons, because so nowadays that industries change with the new technologies, right? So without having artificial intelligence, data science knowledge, the management professional cannot survive, right? Definitely within next 10 years of period. So you can't survive in the industry. Honestly, I should tell you, right? So just think about 2022, 2020 and 2023, very huge gap now, right? So in the 2020, very few professionals talk about the AI, but nowadays everyone talking about the AI, right? Then think about next 10 years of period, what will happen without having this programming knowledge and this artificial knowledge and data science knowledge, you cannot survive. So AI and data science and Python programming is a fundamental knowledge within 10 years of period, right? Now I know that most of the foreign universities have started teach the Python programming into their in their management degrees, right? In Sri Lankan context also, most of the private universities has started teach Python programming to their uh, management student, right? So think about they will come to industry within next 4 to 5 years. Then they knows what is Python, they know what is data science, they know what is artificial intelligence. But experienced persons, you like you guys, don't know about what is AI, what is data science, what is Python, then those knowledge will be you will hear like Greek, right? So then definitely will we will think, oh my God, what is that? What happened to me? So that is the thing. So there is the future you have to face. That's why we have started these courses and as a innovative courses, like these course names are very new. These are not familiar name for you. We know that, right? But world require this knowledge. That's why we have come to the front and we are the initial institutes, right? We initiated this program. So that's why these things I mentioned in the previously as well in the starting point. So I think you should start this knowledge from anywhere, right? You may be able to learn from any other institutes, but my recommendation is learn from somewhere. Definitely you will be able to learn this, right? Without having those knowledge. So pretty sure you cannot survive, but anyway, you will be able to manage, but you should perform, right?
Actually, yesterday we had a regional meeting, all the managers in my bank, and one of the actually it was a farewell meeting of one of our senior RMs, and what he told was within the next 5 years, the banking and the job functions of traditional banking will be history, and everything will be changed very soon with the simple example is
Yeah.
chat GTP. So likewise, that's why I decided to join this course actually. So we need to know, as you are correctly mentioning. So we'll see. Thank you again for the initiative. We'll see. Hope for the best.
Yeah, then actually then when come to the then like industry, so my one of colleagues is working in the US. He's working EY audit firm, EY audit firm in US.
Yeah.
So he is one of my student in the last intake, right? He learned artificial intelligence and business intelligence and analytics knowledge from our institute because the organization asked that knowledge from him. Otherwise, we should not extend it. So they had to learn those
Yeah.
things. So because we have CPD UK accredited and endorsed courses, then they could earn that knowledge and he could extend his visa with that knowledge. So that is the way, that is the things. That's why I mentioned the things with my experience. And so, yeah, so opportunities are there, but you are the initiative persons going to learn those knowledge in the experience one. So then definitely you will be able to go to the next level then. So then when it comes to the IBM, right? So IBM has developed now humanless customer support system, right? Call answering and response in all the things are happening with the artificial intelligence. Like let's say dialogue, right? So when you are calling to dialogue or Mobitel or any other supportive service, then there are some human is answering the call and based on your question, they are giving the instructions, like, right? But now IBM has developed a replacement for the human, Then answering call and giving the instruction and all the supports are given by the artificial intelligence tool, right? So industry and world is there. So that's why I'm inviting you to learn this knowledge from somewhere, not from us. Not so you can select who are the institute, what is the institute. But my recommendation is learn this knowledge from somewhere. But I definitely I can say that with our previous experience and previous students coming, so we can do the best. In other side, more like so previously I mentioned in the starting point. So I played like 3 to 4 videos, right, in the inauguration starting point. So then the all the videos mention how big companies are use AI and data science, right? So those videos are available in our YouTube channel as well, right? You can go through the YouTube channel and you can watch how they are doing that one. So then experience that content, right? So then definitely uh, you should go to the next level.
Will you all be creating a WhatsApp group with the students of this class, or how it's going to happen?
Yeah, Udan. So normally we are not creating any WhatsApp group. So, but we are communicating all the things through the WhatsApp and call, right? And email. So then if you have any problem, then you can contact us. WhatsApp group actually is not the secure way to communicate with respective student. So therefore, we are not creating any WhatsApp groups.
No worries. Then, if there's any inquiry, should we contact Teja, or are there any
Yeah,
different
you can
number?
contact Teja. You can contact Teja. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me through Teja. No problems. I'm available.
Okay.
And if you have any questions and if you have any problem, then I will uh, place my contact number here, right? So then you can call me. This is my personal number. Then you can contact me. So I will send through the chat.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Directly you can contact me and you can give any comments, right? So any suggestions, all things are welcome. Right. Okay. I think we can come to the conclusions. So then, as I mentioned in the our previous slides, so we are starting our sessions from 25th Jan 25th at 8:30 p.m. Right. So hope you will see on the our starting sessions. Then congratulations to everyone thinking to join with the Aviva Institute and starting the artificial intelligence knowledge, right? So, okay, then see you on Jan 25th. See you.